expect Laurel Hardy to get off of this one.
Shadow. Ooh, somebody put their crappy minivan in the middle of this. Okay, sort of Nomad. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sun's coming down. Leaving 70s Charger. It's okay. Look at that flame job. Do something a little different filming this instead of just static pictures. Enough late, I'll take some pictures. Take about 15 minutes to film.
All right, thank you, Uncle Wayne. Welcome, everybody. Another beautiful Sunday night here at the Grant Park Pony Corral. Come on, folks, let me hear you out there. Give yourselves a big round of applause on a beautiful Sunday night here. You know, there's a Johnny Cash song called I've Been Everywhere, and I have not been here for 3 weeks, and I've been everywhere. I went back to the 50s a couple of weeks ago, absolutely awesome show. Saw lots of Manitobans out there down in the Twin Cities. Was in New York the week before that, driving a smart car again, Uncle Wayne. Yeah, driving a smart car. An electric smart car. Pretty neat little experience. But we're back here now. We got the Chicken Mobile up front and center. I want to thank my buddy Dave's dad, Richard, for bringing the car down tonight and showing it off. And Uncle Wayne, I got to tell you right now that the summer is blowing by us. We had a little bit of iffy weather there, but boy, this weekend a lot of people crammed in as much as they could. Yesterday we were motorcycle drag racing with the Bond Slaves Motorcycle Club up in Stonewall, and today there was drag races out at Gimli all day, and of course the big show here tonight. And we're all ready, you know, it's hard to believe that it comes around every year, but here we go again at the 11th annual Cruising Downtown. That's Saturday, August 7th. Of course, we got John and Bev right over here taking early registration for it. You want to register early for Cruising Downtown because you can save yourself $10, and also, you know, you get the prestige of having one of those low early registration numbers. They've got folks over across town at the tavern also registering there tonight, so big deal. They've got it going all over the city. And of course, that's the Piston Ring Cruising Downtown Saturday, August 7th. Coming up, that's the 11th annual Cruising Downtown. Make sure you head right on over here, folks, for the Cruising Downtown. Right in front, step on up and get yourself an early registration. Now, I was just in conversation with Peter Janakis there, and I got to tell you that we're trying to relive the excitement that existed when Dennis Gage showed up here. Because that was a pretty exciting night, wasn't it? I mean, boy, there was people coming from all directions. So I'm not going to give you the whole cat out of the bag, but I'm going to tell you that in the upcoming weeks, we got some exciting stuff to take place here. So we're going to have another big night like that. Yeah, I'm just going to tease you a little bit with it. And I'm going to give away a nice prize here. I've got a Connection Trucking extra large or large t-shirt and hat. I've got a Kokanee t-shirt, and I've got a nice set of 4 Stella Artois glasses. And I'm going to give these to Steve Richard from Lockport. I'm looking for Steve Richard from my neck of the woods up in Lockport there. Jay Leno's not coming here, no. We can tease you all you want, but we cannot afford Jay Leno. We can sell the restaurant and get Jay Leno down here for an hour. Once again, I'm looking for Steve Richard from Lockport. Are you out there, Steve? Put your hand up and make your way up. Chris Manson. Big prize here for you, Chris. Keep your hands up, please. Okay, one more drawing. How about LT Burns?
Shaky video. It's me. That's something. Sorry. Probably hear people talking about the cars. Hopefully you'll see one of your favorites in this video. Lots of folks here. One of those little cars.
That's my area. Right there with yeah.
No, that's not the same one I shot him at. Funny color. Nice car. There's a Barracuda. The Mopar.
Yeah.
And an RT. Duster Demon again.
Yeah, I know. Gotta get my
A
spray
couple
up.
darts.
Dana must have paint job. Try to do what I've been doing.
68, 69 darts. GT. I can tell you the year exactly, but telltale signs.
In fact, we looked at that, didn't know what they were.
Ooh, this is a car I've been after for a while. Studebaker. And another Barracuda. This is an early one.